Today I'm making quinoa corn salad, a recipe I invented for a neighborhood potluck one time. First, take your quinoa and cook it however you're meant to cook it. I took 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water, brought it to a boil, and simmered it for a bit and let it sit and absorb the water. This corn I cooked in the sous vide, which I will do a separate video on and explain how and why you want to do that. Here's a tip for cutting your corn off the cob. Take a bowl and another smaller bowl and invert it and set your cob on that bowl, and as you slice the corn off the cob, the kernels will fall into the big bowl. I've seen people use a bundt pan for this. I just do it this way. The bundt pan will hold the corn cob a little more stably for you. If you have a bundt pan, I recommend that. Next, drain and rinse your can of black beans and add them to your corn. Then you'll chop your bell pepper and your green onions and add them to the bowl. Then we're going to make the dressing. Get a blender ready. Add the cilantro to your blender along with the juice of the limes. Next, you want to add your chipotles. I usually use about 2 for this recipe, and that gives it a subtle heat that's not too overpowering. Put in as much adobo as you want. You can use more depending on what you like. Then we'll add the mayonnaise and the sour cream and blend until it's very smooth. Taste the dressing and add salt and pepper to taste, and then mix everything up in your bowl and you're ready to eat it.